guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm bringing you a unboxing video of Threezero's Daenerys Targaryen exclusive version 1/6 scale figure. So stay tuned. So you can see the box is black this time, and it has a nice little sigil of the Targaryen dragons on the front. And this is also the exclusive version, so you get the 3 little dragons rather than just the one Drogon in the normal version. So here's the box from the inside, and you can see how she's put in there, and it has lots of little accessories in there, as well as different hands and stuff. So this is the pattern on the inside box, and you can see the sigil properly on this one. So, and you also get these little instruction manuals, which the other ones didn't actually come with, so it's a nice little detail. And also the little cape that she comes with that you can clip over her neck. Right, let's get her out. She's a much smaller figure than Jon Snow and the Hound that I have. The face is okay. It's not exactly, it's no Hot Toys sculpt, but it's pretty good. And the hair is also pretty well, but it's a bit strawy as well. So I have this weird need to want to reroot it, but I don't think I'm going to do that anyway because I'm not very good at doing braids. So I don't think I'll be doing that. The detail on the clothing is pretty good though, and all the details on the shoes and stuff. Alright, let's have a quick look at her accessories, and this weird little thing that goes over her chest, which I don't think I'm going to use at all, and I'll just have a look at the little dragons underneath as well. So first thing is, the dragons aren't too bad. I think the paint job's not the best, but it's not bad as well. I have a need to want to repaint it, bits and pieces of the dragons. Just the eyes are a bit off center and stuff, so that doesn't really sit right with me. So I always wanted to paint them again, or just update some of their painting details. But above all, they're pretty nice quality dragons. It's got a nice plastic material, it doesn't feel like a cheap plastic, so that's good in a way. So just a better look at the hands. So you get 3 sets of hands, the one that's on her and the 2 other sets as well. You also get this little chest piece, which I don't think I'm going to put on her. It's a little bit weird and hard to get on, so I don't think I'll put that on. And then you also get the whip, the Unsullied whip, which looks pretty cool in the hand, so I think I'll display her with that. And you also get a little necklace and a little bracelet, which I'm going to put on her. And the hands seem to come out pretty easily, so it's not a struggle to get the little hand pieces out and swap them over. So I'm going to change the hand to this closed hand version so she can hold the whip. And they're sort of like a squishy silicone, so they're able to be moved very easily, and it's not very hard to put the whip in. So as you can see, it's really easy to change the hands over, and then the whip just goes in really easily, and she can hold it really well as well, so it doesn't slip out or anything, which is pretty good. And I like the details on the tassels as well. So here's another quick look at her face. It's not bad. It's better than the Jon Snow, definitely, and quite good from the Hound figure as well. But the range of motion in her joints is very, very limited compared to the rest of them. She only has, it's a click system in the elbow joint, but there's only 3 clicks, so you can only pose it very slightly, and the arms don't go above her head. But the legs are pretty good. They got a good range of motion as well, so perfect for sitting on my Drogon doll. And she stands like a trooper as well, so much easier to stand than Jon Snow. So I think I put this little cape on her now. It just has a little hook at the front, which just sits over the front of her neck. So let's have another look at the dragons in some better light. You can see the little details and paint job on it a little better here. So I think I want to add some more colour to the face area and stuff, so nobody will know. So that was Rhaegal, and we can have another look at Viserion, and I think the colours are tad off, but I like the pose that he's in. I like how they all have different poses as well. It's not just a stock standard dragon, you know, with all the same shape. So they went to the effort to put them in different poses. And we can have a quick look at Drogon as well. So here's Drogon. So all of these dragons have 2 little holes in their feet, so they can be posed on top of a little stand, which is a little bit weird, and it's actually quite difficult to get it to stand on them, just because the holes are really, really small and the plastic's really malleable. So yeah, it's quite hard to get the dragons to actually stay on the perch, but you know, I tried multiple times to get it on there, so I've finally got it on there. It has fallen off a couple of times, but I've persisted, and they're now on there. So the reason why I got Daenerys was to actually pose her with my Drogon art doll. He's still not finished in this picture, so it's a little bit, there's bits and pieces that aren't sewn up. But you can see the sizing of Daenerys on Drogon, and it is perfect, and I'm really happy that it's turned out like that. So I can't wait to finish him, and then I can actually take some photos and pose her properly on him. But I think they work really, really great together. It's like the perfect size. And that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!